So
Diggity
diggity diggity diggity diggity hey, diggity 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 hey, diggity 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 hey,
These are submersible
diggity
pump.
diggity 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 hey.
Jet pump.
In this car, you don't exist. Don't tell me what to do when you lose your keys and you crash
Self-draining
into.
pump.
In this life, I don't exist. Don't tell me what to do. You look pretty young for someone with a PhD. Are you really my dad? You're old.
So yung nakalagay mo yung ano, yung piling na solar power to, di ba?
Apo.
Yung ano yun, nakalagay na mayroon na siyang inverter. Hawak niyo na rin.
Yung gimbal po namin, may control po.
Mayroon na siya parang variable frequency drive. Ay, ito na mismo no. I see, okay, sige. Pero pwede rin ka mag-install, di ba? Just in case.
Ay sir, hindi po kami nag-install. Supplier lang.
Supplier lang, okay. No problem. Ayan. Done.
Taiwan sir.
Taiwan. Generating. Alright, thank you Bye. Amigo. Lakbangan yan, brochure?
Sir?
Hindi, meron akong brochure. Pero kung sakaling magpe-presentation kayo,
Yes, sir.
ha?
Pwede, sir.
Sige, tawagan mo lang.
Demo, sir, tsaka presentation, product presentation.
Private presentation,